MPro is only for the MPro newsletter, the third-party newsletter, so it doesn't come with the Ultimate Suites. You can get that separately, but that's what this is for. It might not show up on your configuration settings. Right, so the next thing is the orders configuration. This is for the orders module, and these are the payment types that you're allowed to you offer your end users. So right now there's PayPal, check, money order, and bank transfers. So if you don't want people to have an option for bank transfers, then you just take that out, and that won't be given as a choice. Same thing goes for shipping carriers. Now what this pay check for is when people select a check payment method, you want to take that user to a different page where it has all the information for how to submit a check. So you want the name and address of who to write the check to. So that's where you're going to define where this page is located. The orders module has to know in advance where that page is to send them. This is for the bank transfer information. So it works kind of the same way. Next thing is the PayPal configuration section. And what this is referring to is your email address for PayPal. So all your monies will go into this PayPal email address. This is for the IPN for PayPal. This is the page that it's using to communicate with PayPal. So this is used for security, so people can't spoof or fake an order from PayPal. The orders module actually waits and listens to PayPal, and this is where PayPal communicates with the Ultimate Suite. You wouldn't really have to change that unless you wanted to make some customizations. This is the URL for the store. So when people are when they're checking out through PayPal and they want to continue shopping, then it would take the user to this page right here. So you want to specify a page where it lists all your products. This is the success page. So when people are completed their payment, this is where PayPal sends the user after they're done paying. So this would kind of be like your thank you page. Cancel is if they were to cancel their payment, their checkout, then you'd want to take them here and maybe ask them why they canceled, or if this was an accident, please contact us, and things like that. This you would leave as is. This is actually telling, sending a configuration to PayPal that you want to redirect people back to your site when they're done. You could change the currency here. And this is for the sandbox. So right now it's in sandbox mode, so you want to actually create a developer account at PayPal, and that's what this email address is for. So you can actually create all your orders and test it as if you're actually ordering something without actually having to put real payment information. So once you're done with testing your site, then you just put this as false, and you're good to go. You'd be live and awaiting payments. Google configuration. This is for the Google Analytics. Now there's a Google Analytics bar graph that shows up, and this is for the Ultimate Suite. What it does is it uses your credentials and pulls that information from Google Analytics and displays it on your dashboard. So right now there is no credentials. Those credentials are actually incorrect, and that's why you see this error message here for this web traffic section. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change these to real information, and for the purpose of this video I'll just go ahead and put the demo one. Okay. something I wanted to mention here is this is the profile ID of your Google Analytics. So you want to get that from your Google Analytics account and make sure you put that information here. I'm going to show you how to get that profile ID. Once you're in your Google Analytics account, what you want to do is click Edit, and this is the profile ID. So once you go ahead and put all your credentials and profile ID for Google Analytics, and you save, then now once you reload the dashboard, you should see all your web traffic directly from your dashboard. So what we're going to do is you can go ahead and hide that panel. So now the first thing you see when you log in is this Google Analytics page right here. Very cool. So now let's go on to the next setting. Facebook and Twitter. These are app IDs that are used for posting news and events to your Facebook account or Twitter account. It needs an app ID from Facebook and Twitter. So these are actually using Falafel's app ID, and these are used for everybody. It's for the public. But if you want to use your own for your own reasons, this is where you'd put that information. And I'll go ahead and cover this Sitefinity connector information for Facebook, Twitter, in another video, which I'll cover in depth. But for now, what you can do is you can add your own Facebook users in this section here. You put the name and the ID of your Facebook, and you have to specify if it's a user, page, or group type from Facebook. And same thing for the Twitter. You just actually put your name in here, and you're good to go. Alright, so I hope this helps, and thank you for sticking around here. And if you have any questions at all, I'll be glad to help. And good luck.